The mole is going to be our fundamental unit of counting atoms. Let's consider what's in 1 mole of an element. The term mole can be applied to any material. It is Avogadro's number of units of that material. For most materials, a unit is defined by the chemical formula. For an element, the unit is an atom. We will always consider a mole of an element as Avogadro's number of atoms of that element. Avogadro's number is often given the symbol N sub A. Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. There will always be this number of atoms in a mole of an element. If we were to ask how many atoms are in 1 mole of sodium, the answer would be 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. How many atoms are in 1 mole of iron? 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. What about praseodymium? We don't even need to know where the element lies on the periodic table. The answer is always 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. When it comes to the mass of a mole of an element, it is different for each element, so we will need to consult a reference, most commonly the periodic table. If we were to ask, what is the mass of 1 mole of sodium, we would locate sodium on the periodic table. The mass of 1 mole, commonly called the molar mass, and given the symbol M sub m, is the bottom number on the entry for sodium. For sodium, this is 22.99 grams per mole. Note that most periodic tables have the molar mass at the bottom of the entry, but some may locate that number elsewhere. If we wanted to know the mass of 1 mole of iron, or praseodymium, we would locate these elements on the periodic table. Their molar masses are 55.85 and 140.91 grams per mole, respectively. In summary, there are always Avogadro's number, or 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in a mole of an element. However, the molar mass of each element is different. Molar mass can be found from the periodic table.